We are having a healing session right now with Pipo as my patient. He loves to be treated with Reiki energy. So whenever it's time for us to have this session, he just lies down and enjoys the moment. So I just hover my hands, especially near his head, where he used to have that lump, but it's all gone now. I don't know what Ilonggo words to use, but a healing in Ilonggo is bulong. Bulong is medicine or a cure, and healing is pamulong, or the act of healing. It's pamulong. And the healer is called manugbulong. So I'm like a, I'm like a traditional manugbulong right now. There is a special Ilonggo word for manugbulong, and that is the babaylan. Babaylan is like your English shaman. It's a traditional healer, and it is said that the healers of the olden days were women. So babaylan comes from the root word babayi, or woman. So they used to be women healers. Babaylan were considered very powerful figures in the olden days of the Ilonggo culture. So we still have this folklore involving the babaylans, or the traditional women healers. I can feel the buzz in my hand and some sort of warm, it's not really warm, but some kind of a, when you put your hand near a candle, not very hot, but just the warm glow. So I think that's the feeling. It's not as strong anymore when I used to treat people, when my hands used to tremble like that. I could feel the energy. So now it's more of a peaceful and calm energy, and just slight buzzing on the surface of my hands. So I believe he's healed now. Ayo healed, and he's okay. He's fine. He's just doing a regular Reiki treatment, and look at him. He's scratching himself, giving himself a bath, grooming. So that, people. So show them, people, your nagpali, or healed scar. Pali. That's his scar. This is Pipo and Joan of Art. And until our next video, good vibes. Bye for now.